Alright guys, today we're installing the Raceland Coilovers onto the FRS today. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna try to beat our time of 2 days, 10 hours. Now we're gonna try to do this in under 2 hours, so
2 hours.
let's see what's inside the box here. Alright, here we go. Cheese! Guys, so first we're gonna be doing the rears, and first we have to do for the FRS or BOZ 86 whatever, take out the trunk liner so you can access the upper bolts for the top of the lug, which is right there. There they are. Okay, so we gotta take out these tabs right here to remove these little side panels. How the fuck do you do it? Then I'm gonna come to the bottom of the car near the rotor, and you're gonna see the lower control arm here. You want to take off these 2 bolts. You should be able to keep this first one here. That doesn't really matter, but you take off those 2. When in doubt, kick it out. Now that the lower control arms are bolted on the 1, 2, and 3, not just these 2, these 3, you should be able to pull this down like this, and then the whole strut comes out. Guys, so don't make the mistake I did on my car a while ago. This is how you lower your coilovers. Not the spring. I adjusted the spring. It took me a long time to figure out why the car wasn't lowering. But this is how you lower the car. You just lower this collar, you loosen this collar right here, and then you screw the bottom of the coil up to lower the height. What?
Gotta let them sit in.
Alright guys, we're going to be removing the sway bar here first because these Raceland Coilovers come with replacement sway bars, so we just got to remove this little nut here, and then I believe there's one back there too. When in doubt, fucking kick it out. There. Ah, let's go! We did it! Let's go! When in doubt, kick it out, baby. What are you doing?
Mine makes the big.
I think that's how you use a mallet.
There's no room.
Hey, when in doubt, kick it out, yeah?
Go.
I think I need friendship powers.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we did it! So fucking gay. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, so we got the coils in pretty easy. All I gotta do is just remove these 3 bolts up top, and then you move these 2 big ass bolts there. Also, try to hold it with the jack. Makes things really easy. You gotta remove the brake line, replace that, put it in, and now Jericho's replacing the sway bars with the ones provided, and just reinstalling those. It's pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's actually pretty easy. When in doubt, kick it out. You kicked him.
You got it.
That shit hurt. God damn. Good morning, neighborhood. Nice. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the install of Jericho's Raceland Coilovers on the FRS. This build is gonna go places. Same thing with my car, which is right there. We got Jan's cars, Jan's 350 as well. But anyways, FRS just got a mod. Many more to come. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later. Peace.